all are there, sir. Vision of the IQC and mission of the IQC is very clear. Include for its culture among the stakeholders with commitment to achieve excellence, sir. Mission of the IQC provide an integrated and multidisciplinary education that can help the students discover their true potential, expose the students to an array of academic and extra-academic activities for their all growth, inculcate humanistic and social values in the students to motivate them towards community services, hinder the entrepreneurship spirit in the students, inspire young minds to develop the habit of critical thinking to achieve creative excellence, promote quality research among the teachers and the students for the progress of society at large, sensitize the students on issues relating to ecology, environment, human rights and gender equality, foster global competence. Goals of IQC to facilitate academic excellence in the college, to provide a strategic and ensure the implementation of objectives to build the college that will stand as a beacon of light in the field of learning. Functioning of IQC. These are our main diagram which shows how we can function. Internal quality assurance cells meetings every year 4 times we meet. These are the dates from 1670 to 2021. These are the suggestions in third circuit visited by the Reliant Peer team, and they suggested to open new courses to keep pace socio-political and technological advancements. So we have started new courses, 17 certificate courses, 51 value-added courses. More of professional job-oriented and need-based add-on courses may be introduced. New job-oriented and need-based certificate courses, BSc IT, Diploma in Yoga and Philosophy, and Master of Social Work course have been started. When special efforts may be done to meet the challenges from private institutions. So we have expanded the facilities. ICT facilities improved, labs are upgraded, fully automated library we have provided to the students, high speed of Wi-Fi provided to the students for better understanding of courses and to meet the global competence. The vacant faculty positions may be filled up on priorities. Vacant faculty positions have been filled by the government. Some vacant posts are filled by appointing less faculties as per government rules. Some other posts sanctioned by the administrations are filled under self-finance schemes. Further emphasis may be given on skill development and employability of students. Skill development certificate courses, diploma courses have been introduced, and for employability of students, placement cell has been strengthened. PSC, NETs and competitive exam coaching have been provided. Remedial classes may be conducted on regular basis for all categories of students. We have made timetable for in every department for remedial classes, and every department is conducting remedial classes for the students. Communicative English program may be done on systematic and regular basis. Our English department has started the 3 months English spoken classes for communicative English, certificate courses and diploma courses also. Industrial academia interface may be strengthened. Industrial academia interface has been strengthened. MOU was signed by an international industry 3 billion company. Industry visit and internship programs have been started by various departments. A vision document 2035 may be prepared, acted upon. Better facilities for sports and games will be provided. We have vision document 2025 prepared, and better facilities for sports and games have also been prepared. Emphasis may be given on continuance of existing schemes including autonomy. Autonomy has been extended to 29-30 in 2019. Extensive use of ICT and imparting computer literally may be encouraged. Emphasis have been given on ICT-based education. PowerPoint presentation have been started in all departments. Media center has been developed for e-content and recording of video lectures. These are the things to happen working as a centralized actual CPU, central process unit of the college. IPSC observation and analysis are done by the IPSC by taking the issues and ideas follow up by IPSC, sensitizing respective body for appropriate action. IPSC initiative which we have done: academic audit, internal audit and external audit observation, skill augmentation, workshops and training programs organized with the help of IPSC. Research promotion initiative has been started. Timely preparation and submission of API. These are the dates in which we have submitted our API. Display of vision and mission of the college at prominent places. When we are going to visit the college, you can see the vision and mission. Development of online examination results and admission system has been started. Preparation of college strategy plan and policies. Participation in NIRF we have applied every year, but unfortunately they disqualified it due to teacher-student ratio in first question. Outcome in curriculum design, development and flexibility and enrichment. 100% percentage of program year secondary citizen was carried out within the last 5 years. 100% average percentage of courses having focus on employability. Some of them are entrepreneurship, some of skill development offered by the institution within the last 5 years. New courses introduced 21.16% in last 5 years. 75.4% program where actually elective courses we have started. CBCS started this year only. 51 number of value-added courses in past 5 years. 45.95% students undertaking field projects, research projects and internships. IPSC suggested use of ICT in teaching and learning practices. More use of computers and ICT facilities to increase use of ICT in imparting education. So action taken by administration with the suggestion of IPC. Classes are equipped with the smart boards and projectors to enhance ICT facilities. Establishment of new computer labs, new automated library with RFID, public access to libraries and YouTube channels with course content, promoting learning through MOOCs and NAPTEL. Some of our students verified the NAPTEL certificate process. All video lectures are uploaded on the college website. If you want, we can click this link and you can see the video lectures also. IPSC initiatives for promoting research policies we have made with the help of committee to allow teachers whose academic achievement have received recognition in state or national or international forums. College provide them seed money, providing seed money to faculty members for initiating research projects. Scheme of financial aid to research scholars and faculty members involved in research activities. Providing registration fees to faculty members for attending international, national and state level conferences, seminars or workshops. These are the awards. Total 22 awards we received by the faculty members. Awards received by student 12 in 2021. Seed money amount in we distributed to the faculty members 8.63 lakhs. And award received by institution for extension and social services 12 in 2021. Total 8. We have collaboration. Number of collaborative active research linkages we have 124. Actually in 2021, number of functional MOUs 54. We have collaborated with the national and international level, Poland, Bulgaria, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Nepal, Belgium, South Africa. We have published papers, research papers with the scientists. Revenue generated by consultancy, as you have already seen in the first slides. In this year 2021, we have generated 99,000, but we are continuously providing free consultancy to other institutions. These are our optimum utilization of the institutions. We have so many labs, girls hostel, boys hostel, library, smart classroom, central library, computer science lab, all these uses of facilities available. IPSC initiative for upgraded central instrumentation lab. Just last year, this year we have purchased XRD also. We have so many instruments in our central instrumentation lab by which we are doing better research. These are the student support and progression. Our total 138 students qualified in NET, 197 in NET state level eligibility, 13 GATE, JRF 20 and others 29. Number of selected students for BSc 99, for civil services 3, which already you have seen in some slides. Placement of the students on campus, sir has explained in very well manner. That the selection 377. Package was off campus it is 1.25 to 9.6, and on campus it is 1.25 to 5.5. Workshop seminars, these are the list of that we conducted, suggested by IPSC by different departments. If you visit those departments, you can see their documented evidences. FDP we have organized online education tool for upliftment of higher education students, state level webinar on office establishment and management, lab technicians training on laboratory management, national webinar, prospects and challenges for future NET accreditation, training on effective teaching technique for media appointed teachers. Every year they are organized. New Year innovation program for media appointed teachers. International conference on materials for environment. National workshop impact of tax reforms in India. Workshop on SPSS for research scholars and teachers. Teachers training hands-on workshop and digital humanities and communicating skills. Total workshops 153. IPC initiated regular quality audits on environment and energy. We have done green audit, energy audit, clean and green campus recognition awards. Beyond the campus environment promotion activities, we have ISO certificate for quality education, and one more certificate we have ISO certificate, that is environmental management. Our campus is disabled friendly initiatives. When we go to visit the college, we can see that ramps are available, wheelchair are available for mobility. Facilities are provided time to time as per government rules. Staff members are trained to assist persons with disabilities, including persons with learning disability also. During the time of examination, they are provided comfortable sitting arrangements as per their special need. Extra time and riders are provided to visually challenged and disabled students during exams to ensure equality of opportunity. Library has specially designed furniture for these students. Books in rails are available for the visually challenged students. Sensitive and cooperative faculty and staff to look after their special needs and requirements.
What about the toilets?
Toilets is there, sir?
There?
Yes, sir. When we visit the campus, I will show you.
This is the friendly.
Yes, sir. We have
This is
yes, sir. Solar energy, rainwater harvesting system. We have sensor-based energy conservation, purified drinking water. We use the water from air conditioners. Solid waste management, liquid waste and waste management.